slow up, no I don't take shit.
Hey everyone, Salam Muslim. Today we'll fix the code remaster. So let's get started. If you try to run the game, even after settings or net framework DirectX, this error will disappear. So how I gonna fix it? Just open the file where you install the game, and we'll provide the patch here. Just download and extract it. After the extraction, these files where you install the game, just replace them with the patch file. These are the patch files, these 5 to 6. Just drag and drop to the game where you install the game and replace the files if this asks for replacement. Replace it. Now run the game. And there you go, the game is run without any error. Just allow this option and start playing the game. Have fun. See you in the next video. Don't forget to subscribe.